So hey guys, welcome back to another video. So guys, in this video I'm gonna tell you some undeniable reasons why you must consider joining Amity University. So let's just get started with this video. Reason number one. So guys, at Amity, most of the faculties, around 90 to 95% of the faculty holds a PhD or a postdoc. So guys, and that too from international and amazing national level universities, so you cannot doubt on the research work and the faculties of Amity University. Point number two. So guys, as you all know that Amity has a world class infrastructure. I mean, it is super modernized, it is super technology driven, it is one of the most beautiful campus of the country. There are modernized labs, latest computers, and it's a technology driven university, and hence it has one of the greatest of the infrastructure if I compare it with other private universities. So consider watching the infrastructure of Amity. Third reason. So guys, Amity, the coursework that you will be offered at Amity, the subjects which you will be taught in a specific course are super amazing, and these subjects are like very specialized subject, like, and they are, the subject will start from the basics and it will go to specialization. So, and the best part about it, there are tons of electives, and you can choose any kind of elective you want for your profile enhancement. Like I'm a biotech student, but I was very much into management and other kinds of managerial things, analyst, business. So I took entrepreneurship as my specialization course, as my elective, and as a marketing course I took. So there are tons of options for that. So the course is really really good. Fourth reason. So guys, Amity gives you amazing exposure. First of all, because of its internationality, like there are tons of international students also. Then there are tons of seminars, events, and conferences happening national and international level both. So yes, there's a lot of exposure in Amity if you join Amity. Fifth. So guys, the fifth point is one of the most important point, that the placement. So the Amity brings a decent amount of companies. So around this during this placement, around 120 companies visited Amity, like, and these company ranges from like big giants till startups. So companies like Shell also visited, and a company like Xyla also visited Amity. So from startups to MNC, everything comes to Amity, and the average packages are also decent. It is obviously not like IITs or NITs, but yeah, a decent package which you can expect from any other private university like VIT, SRM, KIIT, all these kinds of university. So yeah, it gives you a decent amount of package. So here's sixth reason. So Amity is a research driven university, guys. So if you are interested in doing research, or like a lot of PhD students come to Amity and they want to research on something, and even on the bachelor's level, I myself did engineering, as most of you know now. And if you don't know, that means you are not following me, so subscribe to my channel right now. Anyway, so I'm a biotech student. I did my engineering in biotech, and I was as I've told you earlier, that I had a keen interest in management sector also. So I did a lot of research in management, and yeah, I have like around 2 3 research paper published. So for research work, Amity is really 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 good. So like you can ask for research from any professor, and they'll be more than happy to work with you and guide you. So guys, seventh one. So guys, any school or any university is known for its students, and now more than student, it is also known for its alumni network. So what kind of corporate connections, what kind of alumni network Amity has, I mean, it is amazing, and it is really really huge. And guys, if you don't believe me, you can check on LinkedIn. We have amazing alumni network, and most of the times, like, these alumni help you to get a job also. Like, obviously you'll get placed, but if you want a better job, or other kinds of job, like I want a job in Bangalore, and one of my alumni is working, or one of my seniors is working in Bangalore, so I can connect with him and I can ask for job opportunities. So alumni network is really really important for a university, and Amity has that in a huge amount. So consider checking that on LinkedIn. I'll leave the link of my LinkedIn account in the description, so I would love if you guys connect with me over there. So guys, the eighth point is, as I always say, that personal development is really important. So Amity balances these two criteria of academics and personal development. So Amity has tons of clubs, committees, and other kinds of activities in which you can participate and you can enhance your skills, polish your skills. Like there are tons of conferences happening where you can present your project work, your research work, so that gives you an amazing exposure, and at the same time your personality also develops. So if your communication skills are not good, we have literature clubs, and you are interested in dramatics, so we have a dramatics club, singing club, and dance club. So everything is there. So this is done so that you are academics and your personality development both at the same time. So guys, these were my 7 reasons why you must join Amity University. And if you have any other kind of queries related to your personal questions, you can DM me on my Instagram and I answer all the questions over there. So yes, for quick replies, you have to DM me on my Instagram. I'll put the link in the description. I'll meet you in the next one, guys, and stay safe and stay happy because Corona is still out.